Hi, everyone. It's Heather from Crafts Laughs and Learning. If you're looking for something simple that kids can make and actually use right after, these butterfly coloring cards are such a nice option. It's a really easy way to combine coloring with something a little more meaningful. I like using these cards when kids want to make something for a parent, grandparent, friend, or even just someone they want to surprise, but don't need a big, complicated project. It keeps things simple, but still gives them that feeling of making something to give. You can also encourage them to take their time adding details. Have them think about the recipient. What special touches can they add? Even small things like choosing favorite colors or adding a short message inside can make it feel much more special without adding extra steps for you. These work really well to keep on hand for those I want to make something moments. Instead of starting from scratch, you already have something ready that still feels thoughtful and complete. Another easy idea is to keep a small stack of finished cards ready to go. That way, when something comes up like a birthday, a thank you, or just a random kind moment, they already have something they made. And if you're doing anything with butterflies, spring, or nature themes, these fit right in without needing any extra planning. It's a simple add on that still feels connected. If you'd like to use this with your kids, you can grab it through the link in the description below. And I'd love to know, who would your kids be most excited to make a card for? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for your time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafts, laughs, and learning.